Okay guys, so looking at the chart from today, let's see, market opened 7:30. Okay, was this bullish rush over here. We have almost double prints. Trap traders, again double print. Then we have based on a pullback, you see the print here, no selling in here, so this is a very good long. Was above the 100 linear regression. Good trade. Okay, now we see the resistance here hitting short, but if the market is going long, I know it's a little bit scary to go short here. Okay, market tried to go up again, and there's the short. Okay, so when very messy around here, being a Friday, it's very difficult to continue trading. Okay guys, so let's see, there's another short, and there's the continuation short. You see the tape momentum. This magenta lines come from the time and sales. When time and sale is 90% red, it will print magenta lines. If it's 90% green, it will print blue lines, like this over here. Okay, basically the system is based on support and resistance. Okay, I will never encourage you to counter trend. Counter trend is very difficult, and especially in the Nasdaq, it's very tough to trade against it. So it's better to trade with the trend and manage your position. I think you, with one leg, you can get here, you're done for the day. Okay, so we had double prints here, but double print short again, but I don't believe this is a good hour to be trading right now. Okay, so let's see, we have 3 continuous prints. Market can be trying to go higher from here, but it's very, the market is just doing nothing. It's almost market close, and I don't believe it's a good time. The good momentum was over here. This is where you could have shorted the market. Could have, this leg over here was very good. You see the magenta lines here, and you saw the -3, the correlation. Boom, there's your trade. Okay, so like I said, it's very difficult, guys. Right now, market is moving very randomly. As you can see, there's no harmony here too. You know, harmony is very important. I prefer harmony, because if the past legs are without harmony, this is no harmony. You know, this is going back and forth, back and forth. Every bar is like about, let's say, 34 ticks of reversal. So that means if this guy makes one up and one down, is 34 ticks, 35. You know, it's your stop. If you buy at market, long at market, for example, it will stop you out. So in a blink of an eye, you know, because in the very smaller time frame, these guys are just, you know, going back and forth. Okay guys, so just wanted to explain you a little bit about how this system works. And the system basically is support and resistance, like I really said. And the time and sales works in like with correlation. You know, we try to aggregate the RTY, the YM, and the mini Nasdaq. Okay, so we need to funnel all these instruments as slaves with the master instrument, which is the Nasdaq. So in this prints over here are all the RTY, the YM, and mini Nasdaq are all in this same chart. Okay, so when we see momentum of the tape, for example, here we see momentum, here we see momentum to the downside. Okay, when you see this, is because all the instruments that I showed you now, the time and sales, all these instruments are selling. Okay, so we catch all this selling, so you don't need another chart. You have everything over here. So in this chart only, you have 3, 4 plus the Bidask, 6, 7, it's like 8 charts in one chart over here. So you don't need nothing else to trade. Everything is here. Okay, so let's see the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. Okay, so we're looking at the mini Nasdaq, the micro ES, and the ES in the 10 range. Okay, if these guys are in agreement, the three are in agreement exactly at this bar close, they have to be red. If one is, if the micro ES is green, it will not plot, so there's no correlation. So they have to be completely 100% in agreement on bar close. Okay, so the ratio for the marker is 1.5, and we're looking at a volume threshold of 40. So if a bar is too quick, it was gonna be like an empty bar. So we don't like bars that are empty and they have no volume. So we just don't like that type of information because it's false information. So we want bars with volume. Okay, so that's basically what the Bidaskmulti correlation is. It will show you exactly when we have correlation and we have volume expansion. Exactly, that's how it works. Okay, so basically, well, the support and resistance everybody knows the lines, and let's see what else. Basically, that's it. So as you can see here, you see the market is just this false information. Okay, guys, so day trading have been very nice today. I didn't trade the morning, was too extreme. Those moves were too quickly, so let's wait it a little bit. And we had this got one short here, so was pretty done for the day. And well, guys, so I think for this week we are all done, and we'll be making more videos for you next week. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are interested in the system, just hit me contact information in the link in the description. Okay, so if market, just to remind you, the market is going down. You see the lines are stacking. The market is going down. You don't need nothing else to check that the market is going down. Okay, so if you see this resistance, you know that even though the market is pushing, they will stop here. The same happened here. Even though the market pushed, it stopped here. The same here. It went to the double bottom. We had volume expansion and went a little bit long. Okay, so this is for the Nasdaq. And okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.